What up guys, welcome to another vlog. We're catching some spotted bass out here on the solar powered pontoon.
We have just been slaying them.
Getting stuck on this thing, it's ridiculous.
Oh shit. Hold on. How do we get out of this mess? Oh shit. There that one goes, guys. Well, if we get out of here, we'll get that later.
Oh, that's awesome.
Hit the motor. Put us on max speed.
It's going, dude.
This is retarded.
Yeah!
We made it! Chef Bad Bass!
Alright. Time to fish. Yeah. Oh, speaking of, oh, I got one on the move. I got one. Trolling on the grande banger. All right.
Yeah.
Oh, is it a tree or is it a fish? That's funny. Yeah, dang. Is that the first one out of this pond? Yeah. All right, there we go. Oh god, oh god. There we go. First fish on that grande banger. That's a big old bait too. Look at that. Bada bing, bada boom, getting her done. Oh gosh, yeah, he's going after him. He smacked the grande banger. Oh, hold on now. Oh, doubled up on the crank, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Like, because you want to get in there, but. Oh God, we're on the jig. No, that was funny. As soon as you were saying something. Oh gosh, I was sidetracked. Juicy jig pulling through too. We're throwing all kinds of new Googan squat baits out here. Oh gosh. That is what I'm talking about. Red lips too. I don't know what that means. Does that mean they're eating crawfish? What does red lips mean? Drop that down in the comments section. Well, feeding on that juicy jig. Oh, is that you?
It was going
it was going up after the jig. Oh my gosh, that was the biggest one. That bass just straight up. I thought he had the jig. I thought you got him. That was insane. Oh, here's a tree too. Good thing I see that last second before cruising through it. Dude, these fish are gonna take us through this stuff. This is gonna be fun. Oh, he swam up after it. Oh my God. It's the first time tossing out the juicy jig with the bandito bug, Okeechobee craw. So it's kind of like mismatched color. A little bit of natural, a little bit of blue flash. Got that skirt though. This could be good. Toss them right here in the trees. Just had hits. He's got it. Oh, he let it, not he let it go. I just didn't get the hook set. Oh, nice, nice. Wow, that's a good one. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh God, dang, twice in a row. You just gotta really set the hook with, because this is a bigger hook, guys, on the juicy jig. So you really gotta kind of lay into him. I'm kind of giving it a soft hook set, but now I know better. Oh, hey, oh, he chased it, but he missed it. Yep, he did. Oh, did you see it?
I did.
There he is, third time. Third time. This is a good one. Okay, and we're about to hit the trees. Oh, rod tips are good. Sweet. Well, I think it's a good spot. There's a 2.5, I bet. There we go. All we had to do was make a move, and we got a solid this thing is, it doesn't look super big, I can tell on GoPro, but it's definitely 2.5 pounds, I'd say. Like, this thing is chunky. Back in the water with you. Let's get your boy. Nice, it could be good, it could be good. Get him up, get him. Oh no.
Oh, you get on?
Yep. Got him. Oh, ooh. I think that might be the biggest one out here on the pontoon.
Making a move in this solar powered pontoon, courtesy of Chef Bad Bass. Trying to find some more fish and less thorns. Yep, that's how today's been going.
Just seconds later.
Bad Bass on too.
This guy's beautiful fish. Look at that. Sweet baby bass, y'all.
Jeff's on again out here in the ocean breeze.
Orange craw pit boss. Nice. That sexy me up.
A little creature bait. Getting her done.
All right, first double up on the solar boat.
Yeah. Yeah, fresh move. We just moved spots, you guys, and as soon as we got here, they have just been, on. They're going after the moving bait, they're going after the crank, the trench.
They just want some yum-yums.
Got him? I'm just trying to get a release over here, and the chef's on again. Oh, he said the F word. It must be a big one. I think he got off, y'all. Chef's on next cast, I think.
Yeah, it's back to back.
Dude, crushing it. And look at this crank color. Green and yellow.
Yeah.
Nuts. Just grabbed the biggest chunk over here on the little pontoon, baby. Slapping the crank.
Oh, got it.
And then Chef is on.
Damn it.
Nope.
Yep.
Just kidding. Nope.
Yep.
We ain't kidding.
Yep, nope.
Oh,
That's 3 in a row.
That might be, dude, that might be a big one. Let's go,
Look
Chef.
at that, look at that.
Whoa.
Yeah, buddy.
Crankbaits.
Look at that,
Hold
dude.
on, I'm gonna get a picture of
Oh my
y'all.
God,
All
that's a beautiful bass, dude.
So y'all should like hold on to yours right quick so I
Here,
can
you
catch
can-
one, and then we can get a picture of all 3.
Oh my God.
Get this fish.
You
Get this
come
fish.
back.
Alright,
You're in.
alright, dang, triple up. Hell yeah.
Okay, so we found the juicy zone over here, and we decided we need to anchor down, but we don't have an anchor. So we got this little rope, and we just kind of rigged ourselves up to this tree right here. And this seems to be the Krackin zone, so let's see if we can't snag some more.
Yep, 100%.
Dude, this pond.
I'm gonna whip them up over this tree. This is not gonna work, by the way. This is how you get caught, but catch a fish. Oh, we missed one. Oh.
Hey, wait, no.
Oh.
This is my spot.
That's a good one right there. Hell, that's definitely a spot, dude. This one's the spottiest of them all. This one looks cool. This is freaking leopard print. Oh God.
Get you,
Oh
don't let
God.
your fish out.
Well, hold on.
Look at that. Dang. This thing's a beast. All right, let's put him back. That was Devin's fish. I'm stealing her spot. No way. Are you serious? He's got a good one.
Now I get worn out, y'all.
Catching too many. Oh
Look at that,
my gosh.
Another nice spot, dude. Another nice spot.
that
Look
one
at
is too.
Look at that.
Oh, he choked it though. He
nailed it,
oh
bro.
my gosh.
He was not playing, man. In this particular pond that we're fishing in, it is loaded with spotted bass, and the thing about spotted bass is that they fight so much harder than our largemouth bass do, and they're just an absolute beautiful fish. But guys, we have just been slaying them, man. They are just super hungry. They're in a feeding frenzy. Earlier, when I was reeling up one, there were 3 or 4 following it. I thought they were gonna try to eat it out of the other one's mouth. It was unbelievable, guys. This fishing is absolutely epic. You guys stay tuned for more to come.
So we just got the solar pontoon back beached, and we hope you guys enjoyed. We had so much fun out here getting hung up in some of those trees, casting out, catching so many spotted bass. It was absolutely insane. Can't thank Chef Aaron enough for being the captain of our solar pontoon this afternoon. We hope you guys enjoyed. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace out, everybody.